Hey, in this video, we will talk about how to make money off Snapchat Spotlight. It's a very interesting and trending topic, and you can do it. You can literally make money from your phone on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. Essentially, how you get paid on Snapchat is now they have the new feature, and you're getting paid from Snapchat Spotlight the same way you're getting paid by TikTok. They have a fund that they add in, and the more views you get, the more money you get paid. Basically, they're trying to compete with Instagram Reels and TikTok, and since TikTok now has a creator fund for some bigger accounts, obviously it's not as big as YouTube's AdSense revenue. You're not gonna get $2, $3, $4 per thousand views. You're gonna get, from what I heard, $1 per million views or something like this. But there's or per 100,000 views. That's from what I heard from some friends on TikTok. It's way less, but it's way easier to get views as well. So if you want to learn how to make money off Snapchat Spotlight, you gotta develop an audience. There's no shortcut. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I wanna see you next one.